Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add videos to Capcut. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your Capcut app on your phone. Then you have to create new project by clicking on new project button. And then choose the videos that you want to add to your project. You can choose it more than one video. And I'm just gonna choose this video. Just click on the video that you like, then you can click on add right here to add the videos to your project, and wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. And after you add the video that you like and you want to add another video, you can simply click on this plus button. Alright, and now we are going to add another video to our project. And wait for a moment, I'm choosing this video. Just click on the video, then repeat the same step that I have told you before. Just click on add right here. Alright, and now the new video has been added to our edit. Alright guys, that's how we can add videos to Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.